Hi Gemini, welcome to your February 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be exploring all areas of your life and give you the messages as and how I receive them. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button for me and also give this reading a thumbs up if you like it. And if you'd like a free reading from me, please head over to my Instagram account. That's often where I go live. And also my Facebook account, I go live there as well. So let's see what are the messages coming for your sign. Gemini, please. The beginning looks good. Gemini, some amazing cards. Oh wow. So what are the messages for February for Gemini, please? For Gemini, for February. Right. Nice. So Gemini, the overall energy for your month of February is the card of 10 of Pentacles. And I feel like you have been waiting for a happy family situation or some good news to come your way, and that finally comes to you in the month of February. I also feel like new opportunities and doorways are opening for you with the card of the World and Eight of Pentacles. New financial growth opportunities are coming your way. Some of you Gemini may even be looking at working with people in distant lands, or they could be coming towards you, or you could finally hear from them also. Some of you Gemini are also here communicating a lot, and that's looking wonderful. And most of your communication is with regards to socializing with friends, family, relatives, and business and work. I see Gemini, a lot of abundance and good times are destined for you in the month of February. If money has been stuck for some time, it's coming. It's coming to you, and this is looking really, really good. With Five of Swords and Three of Cups energy followed by the Death, I feel like Gemini, you are definitely overcoming a situation or are taking your power back. You're getting your mojo back here in the month of February, and you are in the mood to celebrate. This could be you around Valentine's Day, could be, may not be, but you are definitely moving out of circumstances and situations towards building or doing something for yourself. What's the card of death here for? Please show me, Spirit. What is the card of death here for? Yes, you're moving towards either learning something new. Some of you Gemini could be thinking about stockbroking or investing in stocks, and some of you Gemini even looking to educate yourself or train yourself in a new modality or a new subject, but you're learning, you're gaining a lot of knowledge about this. You also get the card of High Priestess and the Seven of Pentacles energy. What is the High Priestess about? Beautiful. High Priestess is followed by the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like Gemini, there is someone here who's definitely keeping a watch on you. You may or may not be aware, but this looks like a person who is going to help you a lot in the coming times. You get the Queen of Pentacles energy. Their guidance, their knowledge, their intuition, or their foreknowledge coming towards you could help you build an empire also. I am getting the word very clearly. Or help you, save you just in time. I also get the Seven of Pentacles. And what's this about, Spirit? Yeah, you kind of feel like things are either never going to change for you or they're not changing for you in the time frame or with the speed with which they need to. But the Spirit is telling you, focus on what is there with you and still with you, instead of paying attention to what is not, because whatever you pay attention to, you give it the power to grow and manifest in your life. Spirit is also telling you to walk away from the dismal feeling you are carrying in your heart right now and take charge of your life. Stand in your own power, stand your ground right now. You get the King of Swords energy. And I also feel like communication is going to be very strong for you. You could be thinking a lot. Your mind is very, very active. Some of you Gemini may even be talking a lot and you're being asked to keep a tab on that. You get the card of Two of Cups here. What's the Two of Cups here for? I feel like Gemini, some of you Gemini Could be walking towards a new relationship, or reconnecting with your person in a marriage. Or some of you Gemini who are not married could be walking towards a marriage. However, I also feel like for some of you in a relationship, Gemini, there is a situation where something seems to be interfering or coming between you and your loved one. There is a Three of Pentacles energy here. So whatever this is, you need to take a note of that. Yeah, I also feel like there are external circumstances or people or events who could be playing an important role between you and your spouse right now if you're married, or you and the person you love right now, or the person on your mind. But there could be some challenges you need to deal with in the month of February. So spirit is asking you to keep a tab on your speech, and what you say, because you are like your speech is like an untamed horse right now who's running on full speed. So you need to take care of that, or that could create situations in your life. I also get the card of Magician. I feel like I was just kind of hoping this would come, and here it is. I feel like, Gemini, your speech has the power to manifest a lot of things here, because the words are just falling out of your mouth here in the month of February, and you're also being asked to be cautious about that, because a lot of things you say for someone here and now, or maybe later, that might manifest for you and for them. So, we cannot take our words back. The arrows and the words cannot be retracted. What is the Magician about? You're also in command and in power to overcome the difficulties you've been feeling for quite a while now, Gemini. And if you've been feeling like things just don't end, or situations just don't end for you, and how and when you're going to see progress in your life, is here. And I feel like in the last week of February, you're going to see this happen with a lot more speed. So keep yourself on high vibrations in the entire month of February, because whatever this is you are thinking about very strongly, or you've been thinking about very strongly, is going to manifest for you, or show signs of it manifesting for you in the last week of February very strongly for a lot of you Geminis. Let's see. What's the guidance for Gemini? You get it? Eight of Wands in reverse. I feel like, Gemini, okay, some kind of communication, like the spirit has been telling you, you are just very, very fast in your thought process and your speech in the month of February. So try to keep a tab on whatever you are thinking, whatever you're saying to other people. And yeah, so that and keeping quiet, I want to say, um, keeping silent, I don't know what this is. Maun Vrat, for those of you who understand this term. Keeping quiet or holding your peace for a while, or practicing silence for some part in the day, is going to bring you a lot of healing and sharpen your intuitive guidance as well, is what I'm getting for you here. You get the card of the Star. Like I said, Gemini, some of you could even be dealing with Aquarius. I'm going to come around and take all the signs that I see here. But I feel like the more you try to turn in, you also get the card of Hermit here. The quieter you are, the more silent and you hold your peace, the calmer you are. You're healing faster, getting better guidance about how to proceed in a situation, and you're going to be bustling with ideas, and you'll be able to pull these ideas from the 5D to the 3D very soon. So the signs that I see here are Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, all the earth signs, Aquarius, Pisces. You could be dealing with these, maybe, may not be, but these are the signs I see playing a very significant role in your life in the month of February. So hope this reading helps you, Gemini. Please give this reading a thumbs up, and head over to my Instagram and my Facebook accounts after subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification icon here. I'd love to offer you guys a free reading, so join me there before I go live, so you can ask me your questions there. Until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe and stay blessed.